Okay, Dobry Jen. I'm Mr. Noel, so I'll be discussing to you a very important topic for today. So basically, it's focused on homeostasis. So for today, let be our driving question be how does the human body act like a thermostat to maintain balance in a changing environment? So basically, I want you to look at the screen and on your own try to brainstorm. What do you think is the driving question trying to ask each and every one of you? So I'll give you a minute or two to think about it. Okay, so just like the air conditioning unit, no, we have the thermostat, no? The thermostat basically regulates and controls the temperature. So when it becomes too cold, it regulates it. When it becomes too hot, it regulates it as well. Now, so I would like to bring you to another concept, which is the so-called emergent property. Does anyone remember what emergent property is? Does anyone recall what emergent property is? Because this was our past lesson from the previous terms. So does anyone want to say something? Okay, so that's correct, no? Basically, when say emergent property, this is a property that refers to the union of all the parts together. So basically, as what has been defined here in the screen, you will see it says that emergent properties are those that arise through interactions among smaller parts that alone do not exhibit such properties. So a good example of this is your body systems, no? And homeostasis can only be attained if your body systems are collaborating with each other. So examples of your body systems, you have the circulatory system, we have the respiratory system, we have the muscular system. In fact, one good example of homeostasis is ability to adjust to temperature, which was mentioned a while ago. So when it's cold, you shiver. When it's hot, you perspire. And all of these things is only possible because of the collaboration of your body systems. And in fact, another good example, if you are moving, for example, you are not only moving because of your muscles and your skeletons. You also have your nervous system. You have your respiratory system. That's why you inhale, exhale, and then you move your circulatory. So everything is through this very important concept, which is emergent property. As we move, these are examples of parts in the body that when together, they perform this so-called concept. So if they collaborate with each other, this makes things such as homeostasis possible. So emergent property is one of the factors, important factors why the so-called homeostasis do exist. So again, we define homeostasis from your previous topics. That is the ability of your system, of your body to maintain its normal value or system despite of changing environment. So as what I've told you, when it's cold, when it's hot, your body adapts to it. And this is the main reason why you are actually adapting and surviving given the changes in the environment.